welcome to the another video of Easy Auto Workshop software. So in this video I will be telling you about Enquiry. Enquiries are the potential customers. Yes, the potential customers. You get every day you get messages on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, emails, people and or the walk-ins, the cold calls that are coming to the inquiry calls that are coming to your auto workshop. You can punch over here. So let's select. We can add a new inquiry. Very simple, like new walk-in, or we name it Adam maybe, and we add a number 98765432110. We can add vehicle details of Adam also, like we have to want to add a number. We say LQR589, right? We want to select the Toyota, and my favorite is Camry. Save. Boom. You see, the new inquiry is over here. The number, the name, the vehicle number, customer number, and make, model, segment. Here also you can add like 2025 or 6 maybe. You can add customer source from where the inquiry came. So this is very important. This is very important. So I say I can ask Adam, from where you have heard about us. He says that I have heard about you from Google. So we save it. So in the report section, in the coming time, in the next video I will be showing you how reports works. So this source will help you understand that from where we are getting maximum inquiries, and which inquiries are converting fast, and the ticket size is bigger. So you give more potential, you give more your marketing budget to those sources rather than losing money. So the second important part from inquiry itself we get is insurance expiry. Now you know the car, right? You can just add it like their insurance is expiring on 30th. So if you have tie-ups with banks or insurance companies, you can upsell the insurance potential and earn commissions. And PUCC, pollution expiry, we say the pollution is expiring on 31st. So what benefit we have of this PUCC expiry or insurance expiry is that we can upsell these services. Or the second thing is, the Easy Auto Workshop software will automatically send insurance expiry and pollution expiry reminders to your customer, to your inquiries, and for sure it's gonna have your branding. So this way you keep engaged with your customer. And we say that they came for ppf ppf of their bonnet or bumper or maybe full vehicle, right? And they are very warm about it, and they heard about from Google again. We assign it to branch admin only, and they say I will come tomorrow. So we can have an inquiry follow up for tomorrow, and the status will be pending. The status is pending, it means the Easy Auto Workshop software will keep reminding you until the status is pending. If the inquiry is converted means they have billed with you. It means the follow up will not be sent, and the customer inquiry is converted to the customer. And the close means the inquiry is no more interested in your services, and Easy Auto Workshop will stop giving you reminders to follow. But the data will remain in Easy Auto Workshop software, so that you can bulk email them, send them offers on WhatsApp, and you know have a hope to come for them to come back. And when you register the new inquiry, you can select send SMS and WhatsApp. So automatically a WhatsApp message and SMS will be sent to the client, saying that we have received your inquiry for PPF full vehicle, thanks for your inquiry, and along with your Instagram link maybe. So let me revise it for you. We added contact number, customer vehicle details, expiry of insurance and pollutions for automatic AI reminders, and we have pointed they were interested in full PPF vehicle service. Also, I want to add it over here that, see, When we add this service, Easy Auto Workshop reports will help you to understand that what are the most demanded services by your clients and inquiries, so that you promote those services more rather than putting money on other services. So we know that we have demand for PPF full vehicle service now. So this is very important data for you, and we punch it. Now you see the inquiry is coming over here, right? The more useful point of this page is you can select these inquiries, send them bulk WhatsApp, unofficial WhatsApp, web WhatsApp, you can send SMS, email, anything. Also, we have given you an option to import. You just download the import template, fill up your inquiries in this downloaded Excel template, and then come here and upload. This way you can, import your meta leads, your data. If you have uh, data on any Excel or the papers, the diaries, you can share it with Easy Auto Workshop team, and we will upload it for you from here. This is very super easy, and this page is very very useful. If you maintain your walk-in, your inquiries data, you will be able to WhatsApp them, email them, and boost your instant revenue. Keep retargeting them. This is very important. Also, I want you to show you that you remember that we added automatic follow-up for 10th of August for Adam. Then we come here, easy AI reminders, and you see inquiry follow-ups over here. Also, you can add a follow-up or call the client, or you can have this WhatsApp option. Also, we can integrate your VoIP services with Easy Auto Workshop software so that you can call directly from software. We recommend using Twilio